I got kicked out of school basically. I had over 50 jobs until I realized that I had to work for myself. I became a hairdresser. Opened my own salon when I was 25. I spent 5 years making nothing, just like building the hair salon until I got to a bigger one. And then finally, my salon business started growing. Then I built a reptile business. And my reptile business took years, but it started growing too. So I built a profitable hair salon and a profitable reptile business. Then COVID came and shut it all down. I basically lost everything. And while I was at home, I'm too crazy to just do nothing. So I had a toy drone. I fed a snake. And then I wanted a bigger one. I discovered FPV and I started right from the beginning. I was like, I'm going to start a little drone business because I'm just like, my whole life revolves around trying to build businesses, doing things that I love so that I can get paid to do what I love. So right from the beginning, I looked at it that way. I'm going to learn all the stuff. I'm going to find the best stuff. I'm going to make the best stuff for me and then share that with other people. You learn things, you teach people, you grow. But I had this joke that like by the time that my drone business finally becomes profitable, by the time it finally starts to make money, it'll be illegal. And here I am, in my little snuggle corner. And Mad Tech made a video about how basically everything's banned in the States. And 90% of my business, you guys in the States. So, yeah, it seems like I'm not allowed to sell flight controllers or motors or anything really. Looks like everyone's going to be going to HD0 or something. I don't even know. Like, it's like all the drone stores, you're allowed to sell what you have. You're allowed to like use what you have, but you're not allowed to import anything. It's insanity. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. And now it's like I just feel like I put all this effort into building something else, and now is it gonna all go to poop? Because it's like Canada, the drone market in Canada, and Canadians too. Like I find you Americans a lot more like, I don't know, fun. Like Canadians, they're just like, everyone says they're nice, but it's not even that they're nice. It's just, I just find Canadians kind of spineless, It's just, everyone's like overly polite, but they're not polite. Like they act like they're friendly, but they're not. And it's just, I kind of appreciate Americans with kind of like, if they're not into something, it's like, hell no. And if they're into something, hell yeah. You know what I mean? There's a little bit more joy out of that. Not to be like anti-Canadian or whatever, but I'm like, what is Canada? Like, Canada is like, what's our culture? Hockey? I don't play hockey. I can't even, you should see me skate. I'm good at skiing, but that's because my dad's from Austria. So, Austrians, they take their kids up into the mountains and let them fall down. It's like their culture. So it's like my dad taught me how to ski. But Canadians, our culture is that like we let everyone else into our country. Like, my parents included, right? Like our culture is that we just have no culture and we share everything with everyone. Like, look at our housing market. Canadians can't buy houses anymore because they cost millions of dollars. Anyways, yeah, that's what's going down. Link to Mad's video I'll put in the description. But this is just really sad and insane, and I guess I can still sell frames. It's just like it's just really sad, man. It's what a year, man. What a year. I was excited to do like a compilation of this year's videos, which maybe I'll still do anyways, but I'm just like bummed. Like this has been one of the worst years of my life. Just financially. You know, I got robbed and still trying to recover. Actually, the hair salon's now all legal. I got all my licenses and stuff, but so I'm gonna try and get my salon and my reptile business going again. I was really excited about like designing some more frames and stuff, but now it's like, what's the point? I guess I'll still entertain you a bit. Maybe you're gonna want to come hang out on the reptile channel more. I don't know. It's like I love the idea of building things and progressing. Like when I was young, I didn't know what I wanted to do or where I wanted to go, and I was always bored. I was just chasing after ladies. Like that was the goal, right? Like why do anything? But now that I'm married, I can't chase after ladies, you know? So it's like I chase after progress, right? Like you work out a lot and you feel good, unless like you eat a pile of crap too and then you still get chubby. You work towards things. Like I love the things that you can work towards, the goals that are never attained that you always work on are kind of like the best ones where you can just keep progressing and keep progressing and keep progressing. So it's like building a business is very fun and satisfying. Plus, once it finally, like, you have to understand if you're going to try building a business, you have to expect to fail for like 5 years. I'm the type of person that just says, I'm just going to do it until it works. I don't give up. And like, I go at it and go at it and go at it, right? It's very satisfying to work towards things that you enjoy. So I encourage you all to, you know, even if it's just a hobby that you have, if there's a way that you could make a little bit of money doing something you love, like why not? Anyways, I just felt like making this random video because I watched this and that was not what I was expecting tonight. It's just insane. I'm sorry. I can't believe this. I can't believe it. You know?